There are basically three versions of Microsoft 365. One where Microsoft will just host your email, using a program called Exchange. One where Microsoft will host your email and provide you with the desktop applications Word, Excel, and Outlook. Finally, Microsoft has a version where you can just get the desktop applications Word, Excel, and Outlook. You have to host your email somewhere else. Lots of people ask us if users can share the desktop apps. Microsoft prohibits this, but you are allowed to install the apps on up to 5 computers. They all must be signed in with the username and password, and now Microsoft is requiring users to sign in with multi-factor authentication. This means that when Microsoft requires you to sign in again, which they do from time to time, all the users will need that multi-factor code that is stored on one cell phone. This may cause a problem if the person that has that code is not available. Contact us at abuzztech.com or 215-600-0349 to schedule a consultation.